how to embed a Google Slides presentation on your website or blog. So this is not a new feature, but it's one that I use every week. And I thought I'd just quickly share how I do it. You need, of course, to start with a presentation in Google Slides. You can create it there. You can import presentations from other platforms that will convert it to slides. And then you want to make sure that the presentation is visible to anyone with the link, because it doesn't do any good to embed it if nobody can see it. So you click the share option. You have to do this on desktop, and then change the general access to anyone with the link. Then you choose to publish it to the web. So you click File up at the top and Share, and then Publish to Web. And it will have a pop-up. Click the Publish button. It's going to prompt you and say, are you sure you want to do this? And you just say, okay. And once you've done that, it generates an embed code. And you can change some configurations. You can choose a size. You can edit the embed code later if you want, but it's easy enough to choose a size. And you can choose how fast the slides will advance if you have it set to play automatically. And then you can choose to start the slideshow as soon as the player loads, and you can choose to have it loop. I usually don't have those turned on. So all you do is you have this embed code. As it says, press Control-C to copy the code. And then you have to paste the code into your website or post. And that requires pasting it into HTML. You can't do it in the usual rich text editor. In Blogger, you switch to HTML view. I checked if you have a blog at WordPress.com, you do need to have a plugin enabled site that can add a custom HTML block. Every platform is going to be slightly different. On Google Slides, you can go to the Insert menu, click the Embed option, and then switch to Embed Code and just paste the code right in there and preview it and embed it in your Google Sites site. So this is how I embed presentations in the On eBoard news posts that